Morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. How are you?
So very warm welcome to class 8. And yes, as you all know that this is the revision session going on for your betterment, for your future, for your class 9th, 10th and further. So today we are going to go to the flashback part, that is about we are going to talk about noun. Noun, isn't it so simple thing? Noun along with the subject and the predicate in the same thing. I have just compiled the things in one sentence. Now listen to me very, very carefully. You will be getting one sentence. In that you have to find out the subject and the predicate along with the noun. Okay. For
Of
recapitulating the
course.
things that what is subject, what is predicate, right? I have just put one hint box over there just above the exercise so that you can understand that what we have to go through with, what we are going to recapitulate. I am 100% sure about that you all don't know. Still now many students are there, they are feeling shy to say that, ma'am, we are not able to differentiate between subject and predicate yet. Am I wrong? Be genuine, be honest. Many students,
No, ma'am, you're
many students,
Ma'am, I am able to differentiate.
चैतन्य तुम मुंह बंद रखो.
I am able to differentiate.
I know who all are able to and who all are not. I don't want to take the names, but yes, I know that still there is a big confusion. Today I will be asking direct questions to them. Okay. After you start solving the exercise, I will be asking the questions directly to them and I want the answers from them only. And today, Chaitanya will keep his mouth shut, Bhumika will keep the mouth shut, Sakshi,
Ma'am, why?
chup. Sakshi will keep the mouth shut. Where is Pulkit? Pulkit also will keep the mouth shut. Rest, all the students are going to be on an active position. They will be answering me. And rest, these 4 students are going to keep shut their mouth until and unless I ask them to answer. Am I clear today? Yes, beta. Let others.
Ma'am, absolutely. Yes.
set up the mouth.
Can you see this?
Huh?
See this?
क्या?
See this?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm like that.
Okay.
Ready with your
जो meeting
computer?
में भी मारना चालू.
You have not seen me in the school, beta. That's why. You have not seen me in the school. Those who are there here, they know me very well. Once you come down to
Ma'am,
school,
डरा
you
क्यों
will be
रहे
able
हो?
to understand. Yes?
Ma'am, डरा रहे हो आप?
मैं किसी को डराती नहीं हूँ.
Ma'am, डर लग रहा है आप जो
बच्चे
बोल
अपने
रहे
आप
हो.
से डरते हैं.
जो एक्टिव एंड पैसिव, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, बेटा साक्षी.
मैम क्वेश्चन था द डॉक्टर डैश इमीडिएटली, वो वाला का तो समझ ही नहीं आया कि आंसर होगा क्या.
अच्छा
मैम मैं जो भेजा था वो चेक कर लिया मैम, सही है.
बेटा Pulkit, I was busy with class 10 yesterday. I was not able to look into it. I'm really sorry for that.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
And I will say, wait. Let us start
Yes,
the work first. Wait. Yes. Is the screen visible? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to read out. Many students are there, those who are not able to recollect what ma'am is trying to ask. I have written here what is a noun, what is a subject, and what is a predicate. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, or a thing, or any idea. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, yesterday we are doing our exercise of active and passive voice, and आप बोले थे कि कल उसको करवा दूंगी, वो अभी तक बचा हुआ है.
हाँ, वो the
Change the voice.
Pulkit and Chaitanya both have uploaded the thing in the WhatsApp group, I think so. Chaitanya,
No, ma'am, my mom was in the office, therefore I couldn't.
Your mom was at home. Don't tell me lie. It was work from home.
Ma'am, but she was busy. I can ask her, ma'am, after the
Okay, you
class.
uploaded. I've seen your answers.
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
gone through. Sakshi, it will be done by today. Okay. So now your question is, listen to me very carefully, other students. Underline the subject. Be very careful. If you don't understand the question, just ask me. Underline the subject once. Take a pencil in hand. You will underline the subject once. The predicate twice to differentiate between the subject and the predicate. Now, circle the noun or nouns in the subject. Subject में जो noun or nouns रहेंगे, you have to circle it also. For your convenience and for your understanding, I have already done one example in front of you. You can see that. The boy looked outside for his slippers. Right? The boy is the subject. Looked outside for his slippers is the predicate. Now, boy is the noun in the subject. Boy क्या है? Noun. Where? In the subject. So boy को हमने क्या किया? We have just circled it. Looked outside for his slippers is the predicate. Now, how to understand that which is the predicate? I have already told you all that predicate starts with a verb. For your hint, साक्षी बात कर लो. Subject, predicates, give you a nice one. Don't look here and there while I'm teaching. Don't talk to your parents also. Looked is the verb. Predicate starts with a verb. मैं एक बात और ध्यान से बोल रही हूँ. Listen to me very carefully. In a sentence, you have to find out subject and a predicate. Clear? Subject में you have to find out the noun also, and you have to circle it. And in predicate, how to understand that this is a predicate? You will check out this is a trick. It starts with a verb. Am I clear? Now, you have to write the question in the copy, and in the question only you will do the answer. Clear? Now, your times, I will give exactly 5 minutes for 10 sentences. 30 seconds time. It's 11:43 now. Your time starts now. Do write the question in your copy. Mention today's date. Revision class test as heading. And the topic 2.
मैम नीचे करो ना।
मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल अप। मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन। मैम क्वेश्चन देखना है मैम, क्वेश्चन एक बार।
Which question? Heading? You
मैम
know,
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम।
see, this is the question.
मैम टॉपिक देखना है मैम, टॉपिक।
You have
मैम
not
टॉपिक
written the
देखना है।
topic yet.
नो मैम वो हो गया मैम, लिखना
Write
है
it
एक बार
first.
मैम। थोड़ा सा और मैम, स्क्रॉल डाउन।
This is now in the subject worksheet. Why you need to write this? This is the question. Underline the
मैम
subject
प्लीज
one.
स्क्रॉल डाउन।
Is it
यस
done?
मैम स्क्रॉल डाउन।
Scroll down.
मैम
नहीं खेलना है।
मैम वी हैव टू स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग।
Yes, yes. Wait, one more exercise is also there. Is it done? All have written this?
नो
नो मैम, नो मैम, लास्ट
यस
क्वेश्चन।
मैम।
Those who have written, then start solving. Start solving. Start solving. Do it with a pencil, Ishika.
यस
Chaitanya is smiling, sitting and smiling nicely. Solved?
मैम हो गया, मैम मेरा हो गया सॉल्व।
Everyone has completed? Written this question?
नो मैम।
Who is saying no, ma'am?
मैम I've just written the answer of it.
Very good. I have to show the next exercise also. Now wait. We're sleeping now.
मैम
Hold
I have to
on.
write question also.
Leave it.
मैम 1 minute only
Yes.
2 question is left।
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, can you show first question?
Done?
Ma'am, can you show first question?
Completed, ma'am. Question.
Is it done? And this is the next exercise. The question is, you have to find out the same question but a little bit different pattern. Circle the noun or nouns in the predicate. Last exercise was circle the nouns or nouns in the subject. Here you have to circle the noun or nouns in the predicate. Clear?
मैम इसको यस मैम और मैम ये दूसरा है
Yes, I can't understand better what you want to ask. First write the question and then start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
How?
All of you have written the question?
नो मैम
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1
only
minute.
This one,
5 questions.
this one.
Oh.
Ma'am, scroll up for 1 minute.
Up or down?
Ma'am, up.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
I will give 3 minutes more time. Then I will start asking the answers.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you move a little bit down?
Is it done? All of you have completed?
मैम आपने तो ऊपर कर दिया डाउन के बजाय.
No, nothing is there.
Yes, ma'am.
I will wait for last 1 minute, then I will start discussing the answers. I will start from
Completed,
this
ma'am.
exercise only. Yes?
Completed, ma'am.
All have completed? All of you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is left? Who is left? No one? Moksh Pincha. What about you? Moksh Pincha, what about
Ma'am.
you?
मैम
हाँ आप लिख रहे हैं? You're
मैम
writing.
मेरे को 10th में डाउट है मैम. 10th नहीं
You are
है.
writing.
नो मैम डन
मैम
बट
सेकंड वाला पूरा नहीं लिख पाया.
मैम 10th में डाउट है मैम, समझ नहीं आ रहा है 10th वाला.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेटा?
मैम इसमें नाउन क्या है, समझ नहीं आ रहा मैम प्रेडिकेट में.
See, in this exercise, in every sentence, we have to find out what is subject and what is predicate. First step. Second
मैम
step,
वो हो गया मैम.
wait now, listen to me. That's why I am saying. You have to find out subject and predicate. Then you have to find out noun or nouns in the predicate part. Clear? What you have to find out? Noun
Yes,
और nouns in the predicate part. Predicate वाला जो line है उसमें आपको search करना है noun या nouns. Clear?
ओके मैम.
So let's start the discussion. And my first question will be by Sur. Sur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What will be the first answer? We walked to the store. What is the subject and which one is the predicate?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we walked subject.
No.
Oh, ma'am, sorry. We is subject. Walked to the store is predicate.
Any noun in the predicate part?
No. No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
कैन आई.
Ma'am, can I tell?
फिर शुरू हो गया can I? Are you sure, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
But I think so you're wrong.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, I
Say, please.
मे आई.
Store.
Say.
Store.
Yes. We is the subject. Walk to the store is the predicate. And store is the noun in the predicate part. Now, why
Predicate
store,
form.
beta? Why store?
Ma'am, because store is a place.
Store is a place. Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of noun it is? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun. What type of noun?
Common noun. Common noun.
Common noun.
Ma'am, noun.
Common noun.
Now, next question to Keshav. 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 Gone. Kriti. Kriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the second
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Second answer.
Ma'am, Stacy and Susan is the subject and hit the volleyball over the net is the predicate and volleyball and net are the nouns.
Perfect answer. Very good job done, Kriti. Gunjan. Third one.
Ma'am,
Gunjan.
Ma'am, can I?
Chup, your
May
name
I?
is Gunjan. Gunjan, tell me the correct answer. Third one.
ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Michael shot the basketball at the hoop. Michael is the subject. Shot the basketball at the hoop is predicate. Basketball and hoop is the noun.
Perfect answer. Next one. The dog. Continue with the next answer. Yes, continue.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
The dog wagged its tail.
ma'am, may I?
I can't hear. Gunjan, are you ready to answer me? Who is saying that?
Ma'am, Sur, may I?
Sir, wait, sir. Sir, wait. Rishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
answer me.
The dog is subject, wagged it all is predicate, and wagged is noun.
What is noun? Waked is noun.
No, ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I?
No, ma'am. Can
Nice clap, Rishika.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Wagged is the verb and tail is the noun.
ma'am, tail.
Repeat it once again. I can't hear.
Tail is the noun and wagged is the verb.
Yes.
He said wagged is the noun.
Vague means what, Hilana? That is a work.
Yes.
Any kind of work which is done is known as a verb. Right? Simple. Mehak. Mehak. Wait, beta. Mehak. Mehak.
Ma'am, can I, Lavanya?
Yes, Lavanya. Say the next one.
Ma'am, the zebra is the subject,
Not
looked over
zebra,
the
it's
fence.
zebra. Pronounce it properly. It's zebra. It's not zebra.
Ma'am, the zebra is subject, looked over the fence is predicate, and ma'am, fence is a noun.
Yes. Where is the noun gone? Lavanya, where is the noun gone in the predicate? ढूंढने गई है
Ma'am, may
लावण्य नाउन को.
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am,
The
Yes.
fence. Ma'am, the fence is noun.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
No, fence is not noun, beta. Fence.
ma'am, only fence.
Fence.
We are studying in 8th class, dear. My lovely kids. Still we are confused. Huh? If you have any doubt, na beta, just let me know telephonically so that you can clear all your doubts, bacha. Okay? If you are still having doubt, na, just talk to me so that I can. That is why I am here. Fine. Next, Shaurya Jain will answer me the next one. Fast, only 1.5 minutes left. I want 2 more answers from you all. Next one, fast. Shaurya, are you there? You're gone.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I say? Ma'am, Laksh.
Laksh, bolo, Laksh, bolo. Bolo.
Ma'am, sixth one, na? Ma'am,
Six.
everyone is the subject.
Everyone is a subject, right?
Everyone is the subject.
Huh?
Was happy to see clone is the predicate. And ma'am, clone is the noun is the predicate.
Okay, fine. Chalo, we will discuss the same exercises because one more exercise was there. We will do the same work on Monday again. Okay? And I want my
Yes, ma'am.
answers from other students except few. My lovely Chaitanya. Then,
Can I take?
who else?
Ma'am, Bhumika, Chaitanya,
Amita?
मैम एक लास्ट बता दूं क्या मैम जो बचा है मैम
Bolo, bolo, bolo. 30 seconds bacha hai, bolo.
The players jumped up and down on the court. The players are the subject.
Huh?
Jumped up and down on the court is predicate.
Huh?
Court is the noun.
Chalo.
Because court is the place.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Tata. See you on Monday.
Ma'am, 1 minute
Bye,
बच रहा
ma'am.
है.
Have a nice day.
Bus, beta, bus. Leave it. We will do the same.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
I'm so excited to solve grammar portion. I love you all. Chalo, bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Let's meet on Monday. Come on, bye.
Yes.